So good day everyone. This is my case study rate. So first, go to settings ng Windows Server 2008, then storage, and then uh, add hard disk, then uh, create disk size 50 MB, and then pre-allocate full size, then finish, and then ayan yung ginawa natin 50 MB, and then gagawin natin yan 10 times. Ayan, nagawa na natin. So, after nun, i-double click lang natin para ma-attach siya. So, ayan, after nun, okay. As you can see, na-attach na natin sa storage. Then, start. So, let's go to Server Manager. And then, Roles, Storage, then Disk Management. So, MBR, okay. So, right-click natin yung Disk 1, which is unallocated. Then, New Strip Volume. Then, next. Then mag-add pa tayo ng isa. So, dalawang disk na. Then next. Then next. Then yung volume label, gawin nating strip volume. Next, then finish. Yes. So, nagawa na natin. Strip volume. Yan, strip volume. Then next naman sa disk 3 na, right click, new mirrored volume. So, mag-add ulit tayo ng isa. Then next, then volume label, mirrored volume. And then next, finish. Yes. So next, this 5 naman, new span volume. Then next, then mag-add tayo ng dalawa. So total of 3 disks yung gagamitin. Then next, then volume label, span volume. Then next, finish. Yes. So ayun, nagawa na natin. And then yung last 3, this 8, right click, new RAID 5 naman. Then add na natin yung natitira. Then next, volume label, RAID 5 volume. Next, then finish, and yes. So, ayan, nagawa natin. RAID 5 volume, mirrored volume, span volume, and strip volume. So, yun lang po guys. Thank you for watching.